Hi everyone, my name is Virgil from Pixelhue live event part, and today I would like to introduce our products Q8 with a full loaded 48 4K inputs and 16 4K outputs with 32 4K mix layer. And we also have the ST2110 solution and DP output for 3D solution. For the basic workflow, we have the input here, we have output here, and we go to the screen page. We have the card backup solution, edge blending solution, and 8K output resolution, fully customizable. And for the user friendly, let me show you our workflow. We just drag our connector into the canvas, and we're done. We go to the programming, and we select all the screens we have. For the layer operation, we just also drag a layer into the canvas and we create, and we do some operate for the layers and do some cut and fill, do some effect adjustment, and that's it. For the multi-viewer, we could have the multi-viewer here, fully customizable with different windows and different program preview. Then the next part should be the audio matrix with 64 channels times 64 channels Dante. All inputs outputs support to bed and in band. So basically, this is our biggest machine for the market, and we have something more. If you need it, I could introduce it later.